Let's see how to export video in DaVinci Resolve. Go to your DaVinci Resolve and click on Workspace. Hover over on Show Page, and here make sure this Deliver option is checked. Now, in this bottom menu here you will find Deliver. Just click on that. In here, we have to select our video output option. So select here H.265. So this is the best option to export video from DaVinci Resolve. Now click this file name and type a name for the video or export file. And click on Browse and select a location where you want to export the video. Then click on Save. And here, render must select single clip. If you select individual clips, then in your timeline, if you have lots of clips, separated clips, all of those will render separately. So must select here single clip. And here select video and check export video. Format, you can select MP4 for video. And the best option is select QuickTime. And codec, make sure to select here H.265. And encoder, select encoder. Resolution, select a resolution according to your choice. If you want to render your video in 4K resolution, then you have to select this option. Then click on frame rate and select your project frame rate from here. And then click on preset, and here you can select quality to export best quality. So in my case, I'm selecting here balanced, and quality selecting best, rate control selecting quality. Now all you have to need, click on add to render queue, and we can see the render successfully added in here. Now select the render queue and click on render, and we can see my render is started. It may take some moments or minutes to complete the render process. When successfully render, go to your file explorer and navigate to the folder, and here you will find your rendered video. Thanks for watching.